Hello and welcome to this short demo on how to do CI on your laptops and integrate that with Harness CD. As part of today's demo, we'll be deploying a simple fruits application. It's nothing but just listing a set of fruits from our MongoDB collection and then kind of use Harness CD to deploy them onto Google Cloud Kubernetes platform. So we use Docker Desktop and Drone CI extension to do the build. Basically, the build pushes the image into the container registry. And once the image is there in the registry, your CI pipelines that are defined here using Harness platform, the Fruits UI and Fruits API is going to kick in and kind of do a new deployment of your application whenever there's a new image tag available in the registry. So as part of this short demo, what we'll do is I already have the application deployed and available on GKE. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take up this color, which is right now on teal. I'm going to change that into blue and then do a deployment. To do that, let me go and to my project on Drone CI extension on Docker for Desktop. You can obviously install this extension from the extensions marketplace. Let's not get into that for now. So let's go open the UI project. The Fruits app UI is the one that you see on my screen right now. I'm just going to go open this app and then change the color. Let's say change the version of it like 2.1 blue. Go to my UI and change this one to blue. This is a small change that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to go back to my thing and then start kicking in the build. Since I'm going to push it, I need to use Docker, so I'm just giving trusted and use the build env that I need and then start the build. So the build gets started in a few seconds here, and let's come back to the video once the build is done. And there we are. Our lint and build stages are complete. Now the image is getting pushed into the registry. Let's give a few minutes for this to complete and then check our pipelines to see if our pipeline is picking it up. So let's wait for a few more seconds for this to complete. While we do that, I'll just go to the browser and keep them right here so that we can watch things in parallel. Let's wait though. Let me do this and let me do this. Okay, so let's wait to see what happens. It's exporting the image. Approximately takes close to a minute for the push to be completed. Let's wait for that. Yeah, there we go. The push is done. All our stages are done, and then we are pretty good with our build. It's successful here. And then if you go here and watch for the Fruits UI, let's get into this pipeline and go to the execution history of this to see if something gets triggered soon. Usually the polling is done every 2 minutes. It goes and checks your Docker Hub repository like here and see if anything push new. For example, here, let's see if I can refresh this quickly. And there should we have the blue one just pushed a few seconds ago. So it usually wait for a couple of minutes or something, and then it should start to kick in. Let's wait for that. Yeah, there we go. Our pipeline got kicked in. Do a rolling deployment onto our Kubernetes cluster, which is there, as I said, on GKE. And then once the pipe deployment is successful, we should see this application getting refreshed with a blue color. Okay, let's wait for that. So we're all good, I guess. Yeah, there we go. We are successful there. Let's go and refresh our application. And there we go. We got blue right now. And let's play with this API. It's nothing fancy here. Just to say, okay, let's go and say, okay, I want to go add another fruit. Let me go and add tomato. And I give it all season. It's available all season in India. So I just give all season. And then if I go find again here, and I should see tomato here, and then it's as simple as that. I just go delete tomato there from here, and then it should go off from here, right? That's it. I think let's go find out. Tomato is gone from here. So that's how the pipeline gets kicked in, and you should also see the success rate and all of the stuff here. It's now become so easy that we can start doing CI from a laptop and then push it into a container registry and then create a Harness CD pipeline. Once a new image is available, make our pipeline deploy the new image into any of the container supported platforms. The same thing happens with Fruits UI as well. If you want to get try, I have all the applications available at Harness Apps, Fruits app. All the instructions are there. We can try Go, we can try Java and a Node.js based UI. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you so much for watching this video.